Hi there. We're going to look at how we can use input validation with an array, so that what we can do is an array of 5 values will only store a number between 1 and 6. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is to set up the array. I'll call it number. Okay, so in order to get the number in normally, we would just use a for loop. So for and we'd have something like this. So print, please enter a number between 1 and 6. And we'd have number index equals, it's going to be an integer in input. Okay, so that's the way we'd normally get information into the array, and I can demonstrate that works just by hitting run. I just put in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so now if we want to add input validation to it, we have to add input validation here. Okay, so around this bit. So to do that, we can use one of two input validation algorithms. I'm going to go with the race one. So that's repeat, ask, check, and exit. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to do while true. And I can simply throw this in here. So repeat. Okay, check. So while true, if number index is less than 1, number index is greater than 6. Then at that point we can display it's going to error, so we just simply print oh dear. Six. And if it is between it, then we want to break. We exit it. Okay. So that then should mean when we hit run, we should get the numbers. We could just do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as before. But now, if we try and do it outside it, we should get an error. Okay. And even if I keep putting this in, I'm still going to only be allowed the 5 numbers. Okay, so there we go. Input validation within a loop used in an array. So we first of all set up the array. We have to loop through like we would do if we were going to be getting this. But then the key bit is the input validation surrounds where we get the information